this video, we're going to learn how to use a lookup table to look up data from multiple columns and try and automate this process to make it as painless as possible. So the file we'll be using is lookup multiple columns temp.xlsx. And basically, here's the situation. We've got a bunch of salespeople listed in column B, and they're selling TVs, radios, Zooms, CDs, computers, and printers. And we've listed a bunch of the salespeople below, and we would like to list for each salesperson what they sold of radios, TVs, printers, and CDs. Now notice the order in which we are going to pull the data doesn't match the order in which the data is in the yellow cells in rows 5 through 13. So for instance, radios is in the third column of the table range, then TVs is in the second column, so we're sort of transposing the order. But that's no problem whatsoever. So what we want to do is put a single formula in C18 that we can copy down and across that will pull what each salesperson sold of each product. Okay, now the trick to automating this is to put the column indexes, in other words, the column for each product, list that in a convenient place near where you're trying to get the outputs from the table. So radios are column 3 of the table range, so you put a 3 here. TVs are column 2, printers are column 7, and CDs are column 5. Okay, now I should be able to do one vertical lookup if I watch my dollar signs carefully and copy it down and across, and this would work for as many rows or columns as I want. So I mean, I don't have to do a single lookup for radios, TVs, printers, and CDs. I can sort of do them all at once with this little trick. And a common thing in Excel that stumps a lot of people is understanding you can change the spreadsheet to help you do what you want. See, when I put that 3, 2, 7, and 5 in there, it's going to make my life a lot easier. But they weren't there when I started this problem. So a lot of times you want to think, what can I put in the spreadsheet, sort of like helper cells, that will help you solve your problem? So I want to do a vertical lookup. It'll be a VLOOKUP false because we're dealing with first column, not numbers in ascending order. Here's the salesperson. You need the $ column B, so I hit F4 a couple of times. Now you highlight your table range, and you need to $ that whole thing. Okay, because when you copy down and across, you want to pull from that range. Now the column index is right here. Now here you need to $ the 16. Because when you copy that down, you still want that 16 to say 16, but you want the C to change to D, E, and F. And you need your favorite word here, false. Okay, so Tom on radio should be 6, and he is. Now I'm going to do Control C, so you can see that from the moving answer, the flashing lines, that I'm copying this formula. Select this range, and I do Control V, and I've got it. So Vivian there sold 7 radios, she sold 10 TVs, she sold 8 printers, and she sold 8 CDs. Okay, that's a really useful trick looking up data from multiple columns. Putting the column indices in the order you need them, and then you can just copy a single formula. Okay, that's it for this video.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.